All right, so we were graphing systems of inequalities. The one we left off on yesterday was there were three things that are three lines that were graphed, and so we were showing where the solution was. So it was this area in here. We had the line going down this way. We had one going across here, and then the other one on the diagonal. And so the area that was shaded with everything was in here that I circled in blue just so that you could see it. So 20 x plus y is less than or equal to 10. X minus y is greater than or equal to 2. And y is greater than or equal to 2. So I need to, first and foremost, get y by itself so that I can solve. So how do I get y by itself in the first one?
Y minus x.
Just subtract x.
Just subtract x. So y is less than or equal to negative x plus 10. What do I do to get y by itself in this one?
You gotta subtract x and then divide by -1.
So I've got negative y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 2. What happens when I divide by that negative?
Just sign flips.
Yep, it flips. So I'm going to have y is less than or equal to x minus 2. And then the last one is obviously just y is greater than or equal to 2. So I'm going to count by 2's because obviously I can see that these numbers are kind of big. So I guess I should specify. I'm going to count by 2's on the y. And I'll just do 1's on the x. All right, so my first one, I have an intercept of 10 and a slope of -1. So that means down 1, right 1. Since I counted by 2's on the x, I'm just going down halfway between, I counted by 2's on the y. I'm going down 1 here and then over 1 because I'm counting by 1's on the x still. So then down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And all of these are solid. Which direction does this top one shade?
It should say above, yeah.
Oh, below.
Below. It's less than. So this area down here is shaded. Trying to use lighter colors since yesterday it was like mass chaos to try to see what was colored everywhere. All right, this next one, we have an intercept at -2. My slope is +1, so up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, so on and so forth. This one is also solid.
I think y is going to be over.
Okay, we're just gonna, nope, we're gonna try to do it from over here. There we go. So what is happening? I'm just gonna do that. It's just not gonna be straight. It's close enough.
Close enough.
All right, which direction is this one shading?
Below.
Below, so it's down here. All right, and The last one is where,
At 2.
and it's a straight line across.
Line goes up.
It's shaded above. So the only spot where they, no, that's not what I was looking for. The only spot where they all intersect is right here in this little triangular area, okay? Because of the way this one was. This one's a little tiny area. So that is where my solution is down in there, where all three colors overlap. So sometimes it's a big area, and sometimes like this one, it's this little tiny area that you can barely see. And it would, obviously, if I wasn't counting by twos, it would look bigger than it does on here. All right, one more. And then I'll actually give you all your problems to do. This one's going to have 4. 30. X is greater than 4. X is less than 9. Y is greater than or equal. Nope, I lied. Less than or equal to 2. And Y is greater than negative 2.
Yes, if you're ready to go over it. Like,
Wait, I have to get more highlighters now?
I got a pencil.
You know what?
I got a pencil and a will.
You know what? I'm gonna add this color to it.
Alright, dotted line at 4.
4.
4. 1, 2.
At what 4?
Positive 4.
One of them.
On what?
X-axis.
Yep, so a vertical line on the X at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And somebody I heard say dotted.
Marcus saying yes like you do.
All right, which direction? Oh, wrong thing. Which direction do I shade this one?
Right.
Left.
Left.
Which
Right.
one?
Right.
Right. That's greater
You
than.
better copy Jonathan, you still got it wrong.
Jonathan, I'll never copy you.
Right. Bro, Jonathan was probably get it. I was right.
That's worse than my snow joke.
Both of them are bad.
All right.
That was
What
fun.
about this one?
Punchline jokes.
Left. 9. Left.
At
Bro, you
9.
can't speak.
got
You're
it,
not
Chris.
taking no more talking. Well, actually, I wasn't even arguing.
All right, which way does this one shade?
Left. So does the other one. Yeah.
He's talking about the next one.
The next one. It's a solid line and it shades left.
A solid line at 2.
Yep. And you shade,
Yeah.
shades left.
Okay.
I think that's what he's saying.
How does a line shade left on the y-axis?
Like
It's road.
this shapes, not shapes.
Yeah, it's shaped.
It shades.
It goes down.
It shades down.
So this one was solid and it shades below. Come in.
Do you have a key to the kitchen?
Yes.
At dotted line.
Yeah, I got it.
Just make sure you lock it back when you're done.
What else are you supposed to do?
Highlight.
All right, so this one's shading below.
Oh my lord.
Mind your business over here. Don't talk.
We're gonna make
Where's my original line?
All right.
No.
What about my last one?
dotted line at -2 and it goes up.
Yep.
Dotted line at. Whoa, that was the wrong.
Color.
Well, no, it was the wrong. I was using the highlighter instead of the.
I didn't even tell where match up. We're probably neither are.
I don't think they match.
They do.
They match up over there.
Yeah, they do.
They do match up.
Oh, they match your price.
All right, and this one shades above.
Oh my god. Grace, you need another highlighter. Just take it.
I don't want your stupid video video.
I'll take your stupid hoodie. Thank you.
Where's my line?
Where? Very beautiful color.
In the middle.
I love it.
So it obviously gets a little crazy when you have this many.
No, where? I asked for the line.
But this area in here that I'm boxing out is my solution.
Wait, how was it?
Because that's where all the
Paying attention
colors
to the
combine.
notes.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you're not paying attention at all. Somebody's smart.
Not you.
So this is why we don't just use pencils to do this section, because if you just use pencils, you would be, I mean, you can use it for one. Like if you have 3 highlighters, you could use a pencil for one. But if you used a pencil for all 4, you would be very lost,
Oh yeah.
right? You wouldn't even be able to remotely tell where things are.
Can you tell what they are?
Look at Grace.
They're shaded differently.
No, they're not.
Oh my goodness.
It's scribble.
If you have to do something like that, what I often would tell you to do, if you have a bunch, I'm just going to do this one random. If you had to do a bunch of them in different things, if you had a line here, okay, and you're shading below, do something like this. And then you have another line here, and you're shading over here.
Oh man.
Oh.
And then you have a line straight up and down here
That's basically
that you go sideways. So then it's just wherever it looks the most chaotic, there's your solution.
It looks just like Grace's paper.
No,
Maybe I should do that
Oh
for
my
this.
gosh.
What is
That is
this?
not what her paper looks like. This is what hers looks like.
I think that these
Grace,
are.
swallow
So,
your ego and take
That's
the
why
highlighter.
you use colors. I have plenty of markers and crayons you can use when you're doing it if you need them.
Just listen to this how to be chaotic
All right.
during graphs. That's
Yeah,
this
this-
entire
it's
lesson.
not
This is like the only time that you can have like total chaos and it be okay in math. All right, are there any questions before I give you homework?
No.
All right.
No.
Oh, you want to do this? That's great.
No, but Obadi does.
Sure.
This was the
He's
best
so
math lesson
excited
of all
to
I
time.
actually kind of
I
am.
love this lesson.
Me
This
too.
the
This
best one.
this is awesome. You okay, Grace?
Yeah.
No.
She was like jealous.
Grace is getting tired of your
You
own
gotta do a
copy.
homework on all separate colors.
Oh yeah, we should do that.
All right, 3 and 5 are ones where you're just telling if the ordered pair that they give you is a solution or not. Okay, so you're seeing is it in the shaded area basically. All right, and that's it.
So, it is.
I thought you were gonna do